Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the 2 stoppers in the glove box. Unscrew the stops to the left and pull straight out to remove them. Lower the glove box. Pinch the tabs of the filter housing and pull outwards to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1143 filter with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. Lift the glove box and reinstall the stoppers by threading the rubber part through first. Then, push until it clicks into place. Remember that lifting the housing makes it easier. Hook the dampener arm back onto the glove box. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.